Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin in Blender. Open Edit then Preferences, or press Ctrl plus Alt plus U to jump straight into Settings. Once the Preferences window is visible, click the Themes tab. This is where Blender exposes colors for every UI element. You'll want Autosave Preferences enabled so your theme sticks. If not, plan to click Save Preferences manually after edits. Start by choosing a base preset from the drop-down to avoid reworking every control. This saves time and gives a reference point. Now refine the look. Pick a preset as a base and expand the element groups like Workspace, Buttons, Text, 3D View, and Node Editor. You'll click individual color swatches to edit, use RGB sliders or hex input for exact matches. Once you change one swatch, check related elements because many UI parts inherit colors. Adjust contrast so text remains readable. Make incremental changes, and toggle UI contexts to inspect the theme across editors. This prevents surprises when you switch modes later. Finish by previewing the theme across common layouts, modeling, shading, animation, to confirm consistency and legibility. When satisfied, click Save Preferences so Blender keeps the theme, and optionally export the theme file for backup or sharing. If something goes wrong, colors too dark or text invisible, don't panic. Reopen Preferences and choose Default or import a known working theme file to restore usability. One key tip: keep a small contrast test area visible while
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.